Hi, this is Manesh Patel with blackbar.com. Today is August 25th and we're here to go for our weekly results for our TNT, our AI forecasting tool. Are you tired of waiting for things to happen and then trading them? Do you have a list before the market opens? Well, that's got to change if those are the cases that you're going through. You really need to have a list of instruments before the markets open and be prepared. And technical analysis should not be the key for your trading. Money management should be. So check out the AI forecasting tool here that we're about to go through. It's simple. It's a black bar. When you get a black bar, it tells you something's going to happen on the next bar. And all you have to do is set up to go. If you have a green background, you're going to bet on it going up. If you have a red background, you're going to bet on it going down. The entries are simple. The black bar high plus a couple of points for bullish, for black bar low, plus minus a couple of points for bearish. It's as simple as that. But we make it even easier for you because we give you the blue dots for the entry. We tell you where the conditional stop is, the red dot, and then we give you a target. So we give you everything from a technical point. The only thing you have to do is concentrate on your money management. And it's as simple as that. Week by week, we give you the results for US stocks, currencies, futures. Occasionally, we'll sit there and go around the world and do some global opportunities too. But we give you the results week by week. We've been doing that for months now, and you could see the results on our YouTube channel. So let's go to the opportunities this week and go from there. Okay, so let's pull up the charts. So here's the charts here. Now, one of the things you could do is you could kind of forecast the market with the list of the TNTs at the beginning of the week. If you go to the weekly time frame and see all the opportunities that you have for the following week, you could kind of forecast if the markets are going to move or not. We've been doing that week by week. This week we had 100 plus opportunities. 100 plus. That's a lot. That told you that this market was going to move this week. The question is which way. If you look at the shades that we had, majority of the instruments had green shades. So it told you there was a high probability that we were going to follow up on the US stock market with the last week's upward movement for this week too. And we're going to have a high probability going up. And that's exactly what happened with the opportunities. So if you look here in the shaded opportunities, which are high probability, we had 39 winners, 6 break even, and 1 loss. That's really good results if you think about it. For the high probability opportunities, which are not shaded, you had 8 winners and 3 break even. That's not bad either. But if you look at the overall results, we had 47 winners, about 9 break even, and 1 loss for this week. Those are incredible numbers considering if you look at every week what we've been averaging. We've been averaging around 10, 15 winning trades and so forth. This week we went back to the 20 plus normal winning trades, which is good for the markets to move. Okay, so let's look at these opportunities. There's tons of opportunities here, so I'm not going to go for every symbol. This is US Switzy here. The blue dot entry was right there because it's a red shade. So we entered right there. Sorry, right there. Our conditional stop was right there. Our entries right there, conditional stops right there. You could hardly see it because of the red bar here. And then if I shrink this down, this is our target right there. So this is a winning trade at the end of the week for being bearish. That was a currency. Here's a stock here. The entry was right there, conditional stops right there, and we ended up positive for the week. XBH. Positive, UNH, positive, TGT, positive. I'm not going to bore you by going for every one of them because we could sit here forever, especially with the way the charts are loading. They're kind of slow this morning here. So you could see here, silver, this was a future. This was profitable there. There's a currency here. In the mixture of all these stocks in here, you have AIG that's just popular there. These are break-even trades. So once price gets to a certain value, we change our stop to where we enter to go to break-even. And these are the opportunities that got out of break-even. Remember, I mentioned to you at the very beginning, You want to concentrate on money management because that's the key. Once you're profitable to a certain point, you don't want to go round trip and give back your money at all. And that's what we're doing here. And that's one of the reasons why these opportunities here got out of break even. Okay. We did have one loss here. This is a minor loss. It didn't get out at our conditional stop. At the end of the week, it just was not profitable at all. So let's show you this opportunity. We entered here, then it went up a little, then came down and closed here. So we got out at the end of the week for a minor loss. It did not get to the red dot, which is our conditional stop. Okay. Here's the opportunities that are non-shaded. In these opportunities, we're waiting for a drawdown to happen before we enter the trade. So these are the opportunities there, and you could see 3 were break even. We did have some futures in here that did move, but not in the direction based on our trading plan. So here you had this one move here, copper. This went bullish. It didn't have the drawdown that we needed to enter that trade. Then there was platinum here. This one entered, and this one entered bullish, but we're really looking for bearish. So there was no trade there. And then you had this one, which is live cattle here. It did move down, but it didn't hit our drawdown level. Missed it by a couple of points, but if it had hit it, this would have been profitable. Okay. So again, if you look at the results here, this is the results here. And we had so many shaded opportunities that we really didn't even need to look at the non-shaded low probability opportunities. So if you look at the shaded opportunities, 39 winners, 6 break even, and 1 loss for the week. This is with no emotions and just trading the trading plan with the Black Bar AI forecasting tool. If you have any questions, please ask in the social media posts. Please like and share the posts too. Thank you.